Welcome to Find Success for You, the ultimate destination for learning about finance and wealth management. I'm your host, and in this video, I'll guide you through the process of utilizing the Kucoin spot grid trading bot to generate passive income from cryptocurrency market fluctuations. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Please note that this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Kucoin Spot Grid Trading Bot is an automated trading tool that enables you to profit from market ups and downs by placing buy and sell orders at predetermined intervals around a specific price range. Although it may sound simple, it's crucial to select the right trading pair, establish a price range, determine the number of orders, and decide on your investment amount. Thankfully, Kucoin has streamlined this process, allowing you to create a spot grid trading bot with just a few clicks. You can choose between auto and customized modes, depending on your preferences. In the auto mode, Kucoin automatically sets the price range and the number of orders based on current market conditions, simplifying the process. To begin, select a trading pair with high volatility and liquidity, such as BTC/USDT. Next, enter the total investment amount you wish to allocate for this bot, for instance, 1,000 USDT. Kucoin will then display a preview of your spot grid trading bot settings. In our example, the platform has set a price range of 40 to 60 USDT with 50 placed orders. This means the bot will place buy orders every 400 USDT below 50 USDT and sell orders every 400 USDT above 50 USDT within the established limits. Based on historical data, the expected annualized return rate is 42%, which translates to a potential profit of 420 USDT over a year. If satisfied with the settings, click Create and confirm your order. The spot grid trading bot will then start running automatically, executing trades as per your settings. Monitor the bot's performance on the app by checking its current profit/loss ratio. For more control, you can opt for the customized mode. Here you can manually adjust certain parameters to align with your preferences or strategies. For instance, you can switch to the ETH/USDT trading pair by tapping Customize Parameters and selecting ETH/USDT. Set the minimum and maximum prices within which the bot will operate, ensuring that the token price is likely to remain within this range based on historical trends. Suppose we set the minimum price at 1,500 USDT and the maximum price at 2,500 USDT. Next, define the number of placed orders and the total investment amount, such as 20 orders and 2,000 USDT respectively. Kucoin will then display a preview of your customized spot grid trading bot settings. In our example, the platform has set 20 placed orders with 50 USDT intervals between each order. The bot will place buy orders every 50 USDT below 2,000 USDT and sell orders every 50 USDT above 2,000 USDT within the set limits. Based on historical data, the expected annualized return rate is 36%, equating to a potential profit of 720 USDT over a year. If you're satisfied with the settings, click Create and confirm your order. The spot grid trading bot will start running automatically and execute trades according to your preferences. Keep track of its performance on the app by checking the current profit/loss ratio. By using the Kucoin spot grid trading bot, you can efficiently leverage cryptocurrency market fluctuations to generate passive income. I hope you found this video both helpful and informative. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave any questions or comments below. I'll do my best to respond as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. We have more insightful content on finance and wealth management coming your way, and you won't want to miss out. Thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, happy trading and best of luck on your wealth building journey.